Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel Study with Alka Kanwal. Study with Alka Kanwal चैनल में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जो मेरे परिवार का हिस्सा बन चुके हैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और जो चैनल में पहली बार आ रहे हैं उनके लिए एक ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन। I am Alka Kanwal and the channel is an educational channel wherein we talk about mathematics and we cover up the entire topics from grade 7 till grade 10 as of now. And computer is a very important part in all the competitive exams. We see that computer, lots of questions, around 20 to 25 questions are asked from this particular section. So a separate playlist has been dedicated for this sole purpose, so that जो computer background के भी नहीं है तो उनको भी ये पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन को सॉल्व करने में प्रॉब्लम ना हो, क्योंकि हमको रियलाइज होता है कि एक हाफ एंड हाफ मार्क्स ऑल्सो इट इज ऑफ utmost importance when we give the competitive exam. So that is why, keeping that in focus, a separate playlist has been dedicated for that purpose. Then PGT and TGT computer science, so grade 11 and 12, those who are in this class, they also can get the benefit out of the discussion, and obviously who are applying for the post, they will also get benefited. So if you have not yet liked, shared and subscribed, make sure you are liking the channel, sharing and subscribing to the channel, and motivating me to come up with many such sessions. So let us start with today's session. So let me tell you a situation. There was a boy and his name was Soham. Let us take Soham. So Soham goes to a museum. He likes going to the museum. So he thinks कि चलो इस बार वीकेंड में म्यूजियम घूमने चलते हैं। तो वो देखता है कि वहां पे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। तो एक जगह वहां पे लिखा होता है कि the dinosaur existed 10 to the power of 8 years back. अब वो सोचता है ये कौन सा नंबर है, अभी तक मैंने ये ऐसा टाइप का नंबर तो कभी मैंने देखा ही नहीं था। तो उसको समझाने के लिए let us start with the session today, that what is the information he came across and what is the meaning of that particular information. So let us have a look at it. So we said that the dinosaur existed 10 to the power of 8. So this was the format of the number he came across. So 10, this 10 is known as the base. What is it known as? Base. This 8 is known as the exponent. मतलब इसको रीड कैसे करते हैं? 10 to the power of 8. और उसको कैलकुलेट कैसे करेंगे? 10 into 10 into 10 means, what do we mean when we talk about, let me write one thing here, then you will get a more clear picture. Multiplication many times is called the power, is the power. Now for example, we are talking about 10 to the power of 8. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 10 to the power of 8. So multiplication many times is the power. For example, I tell you 2 to the power of 4. इसकी value क्या होगी? So many of the children, they get confused. 2 into 4 कर देते हैं, आंसर 8 बोल देते हैं, वो wrong है. 2 power 4 मतलब 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 2 to the power of 4 की value क्या होगी? 16. अगर मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा कि 3 to the power of 4 and 4 to the power of cube 3, इन दोनों में कौन सा बड़ा होगा? If we talk about 3 power 4, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. इसकी वैल्यू तो 81 हो गई। और 4 पावर 3 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. तो कौन सी वैल्यू बड़ी होगी? ऑब्वियसली अब हम लोग अचानक से देखेंगे तो सम ऑफ यू माइट थिंक कि 4 बड़ा है तो 4 की वैल्यू नहीं। We have to do the calculation and then we have to come to the conclusion that which number, what is the relationship they are holding. So 3 to the power of 4 is greater than 4 to the power of 3 in this case, is it not? So that is the basics of your exponent and power. So what is the picture we got till now? कि जैसे कोई भी नंबर है, जैसे 2 to the power of 4 है, तो इसका मतलब we are multiplying it 4 times, we are multiplying the number 4 times and the result we are getting as 16. So here, can we have numbers with negative exponent? ऐसा हो सकता है कि negative exponent है, क्या ऐसा कोई नंबर है 2 टू द पावर ऑफ -4? ऐसा नंबर हो सकते हैं? जी हाँ, जरूर हो सकते हैं. सो हाउ डू वी रिप्रेजेंट दिस नंबर? एज 1/2 टू द पावर ऑफ 4. मतलब कभी भी आपको ये जो नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट है इसको पॉजिटिव बनाना है, तो वी विल प्लेस द नंबर इन द डिनोमिनेटर. सो वी विल बी गेटिंग 1/2 टू द पावर ऑफ 4, दैट इज 1/16. सो दैट विल बी द आंसर. अगर क्वेश्चन में आ गया 10 टू द पावर ऑफ -3, मतलब क्या है? इट मीन्स 1/10 टू द पावर ऑफ 3. इसका मतलब है 1/1000. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? अगर कोई है कि 8 टू द पावर ऑफ 2 है, इसको अगर हमको नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट में रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो 1/8 टू द पावर ऑफ -2. सो व्हाट आर वी अंडरस्टैंडिंग? a टू द पावर ऑफ m is equal to 1/8 to the power of -m, या a to the power of -m can be written as 1/8 to the power of m. और एक और चीज यहाँ से हमको एक और चीज समझ में आती है कि a to the power of m and a to the power of -m are multiplicative inverse of each other. What does that mean now? अब जैसे मैंने बोला 2 to the power of 4, रैशनल नंबर्स भी में भी हमने किया था. 2 to the power of 4 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? 2 to the power of -4. Why? Because when we multiply 2 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of -4, we are getting the result as 1. So always remember a to the power of m and a to the power of -m are multiplicative inverse of each other. ठीक है? Multiplicative inverse of each other. For example, in a question, they are asking that 10 to the power of 3. What is the multiplicative inverse of this one? So one option is 10 to the power of -3, and the other question says 1/1000. So what will be the answer? The answer will be C, both A and B. Both A and B. देखो, क्योंकि 10 to the power of 3, तो ऑब्वियसली ये दोनों मल्टीप्लीकेटिव इनवर्स है, और 10 टू द पावर ऑफ -3 का मतलब क्या है? यही है. 1/1000 is it? No, it is 10 to the power of -3 means what? 1/10 to the power of 3, that is 1/1000. So the answer will be C, both A and B. Is it fine? I think this much is clear to all of you. Now, there are certain laws of exponent which we must be aware of so that it helps us in easy calculations. So let us see what are the laws of exponent. Are you all ready for it? Okay. So if we take, if A is any non-zero integer, A is any non-zero integer, and M and N are any integers. M and N are any integers. Fine. Now, when we talk about the laws of exponent, तो हमेशा ये याद रखना, the first one says that a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to, so see, इनमें क्या केस है कि जो बेस हैं उनकी वैल्यूज इक्वल हैं. a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, तो बेस सेम है. So when you multiply, so we can just take the base and then we can add the exponent. Does it make sense? अगर मैंने बोला 2 to the power of 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5, तो आंसर क्या होगा? बेस तो 2 ही रहेगा, and add the exponent 10 plus 5, that is 15. So the answer will be 2 to the power of 15. So that is the answer. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Up similarly, if the case is that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, so what will be the value? A to the power of m minus n. अगर मैंने बोला 2 to the power of 10 divided by 2 to the power of 5, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? We can, because the base is the same and we need to divide, we will just subtract the exponent. So the answer will be 2 to the power of 5. That is the answer. Fine. Now the third one, अगर कोई नंबर जैसे ये है a to the power of m है और whole to the power of n है, तो इसका आंसर आ जाएगा a to the power of mn. Yes. For example, मैंने बोला 2 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2, तो मैं क्या कर दूंगी? 2 to the power of 3 into 2, तो आंसर आएगा 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 will be the answer to this. So these are the first three basic laws of exponent. Then we move ahead and let us see the fourth one. Fourth one क्या है? Let us have a look that if a to the power of m and b to the power of m. अब यहाँ पे बेस डिफरेंट है मगर एक्सपोनेंट सेम है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, बेस को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, a मल्टीप्लाइड बाई b टू द पावर ऑफ m. जैसे कि 2 टू द पावर ऑफ 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 5 टू द पावर ऑफ 5. So we can write it as 2 into 5, 10, 10 to the power of 5. This way we can write it down. Now when we come to the fifth one, it is similar to what we have written here. कि multiply, अगर same, अगर a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Yes, so we can write it as a divided by b to the power of m. So that is the answer here. So this is the other law of exponent, and the sixth one is any number to the power of 0 is always 1. अगर मैंने बोला 5 to the power of 0, उसकी वैल्यू 1 होगी, और 2 to the power of 0 है, उसकी वैल्यू 1 होगी, 1000 है, उस to the power of 0 is 1. So this is another law of exponent. So these laws you have to remember. Now for example, based on these laws only, they will ask you like a question like this. For example, let us take that there is an insect and the weight of one insect is 9 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन है कि what will be the weight of 1.2 into 10 to the power of 4 insect. So we have to multiply. Yes, because weight of one insect is this, so we need to find the weight of these many insects. So what we will do? So total weight will be equal to 9 into 10 to the power of minus 3 multiplied by 1.2 into 10 to the power of 4. तो ये और ये तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, 1.2 into 9 हो जाएगा 10.8 into this multiplied by this, मतलब बेस सेम है, we can add the exponent 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 4. बेस सेम है तो एक्सपोनेंट को ऐड कर दिया, तो 10.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 4 मतलब 1 ही है, तो 10.8 into 10 will become 108 kg. So that is the answer. So अगर ये laws नहीं पता होता तब हम लोग सोचते कि ये solve कर रहे होते, ये solve कर रहे होते. So that is why the laws become very very important. Are you understanding? तो multiply करते समय, divide करते समय हमारा base same है, हमको check out करना है, and then we can have a clear picture of it. Now when we talk about the entire chapter, तो इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. First we have to understand this. For example, 3 power 2, this is the base, this 2 is the exponent, very important. Then we talk about whenever we are talking about very large numbers or very small numbers, then the concept of exponents are generally used. Like if we are talking about 10 dinosaur existed 10 to the power of 8, we will not say it 1000 years back. We will not say like that. 10 to the power of 20, 10 to the power of 30. So when we come across very large or very small, like 10 to the power, it was too small, like 10 to the power of minus 20. So representing very large and very small numbers becomes very easy with the help of the exponent. फिर जो हमारे laws हैं, जो हमने पढ़ा कि a to the power of m into a to the power of n, बेस सेम है, एक्सपोनेंट को ऐड कर दो, और अगर डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई करना है, डिवाइड करना है, तो फिर हम लोग a to the power of m minus n करेंगे. a to the power of m to the power of n becomes a to the power of mn. Any number to the power of 0 is always 1. And when we talk about a to the power of m and b to the power of m, bases are different but the exponents are the same. तो बेस को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, एक्सपोनेंट को ये कर दो. a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m becomes a divided by b to the power of m. So these are the laws of exponent. अगर ये याद है तो there will be no problem in solving out the question. Now let us do some questions, then it will be more clear to you all. Fine. अगर मैंने क्वेश्चन दिया कि 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. अब फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ m. वी नीड टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ m. तो इसमें क्या है, डिवाइड है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक्सपोनेंट को, बेस सेम है तो एक्सपोनेंट को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, m माइनस माइनस 3. is equal to 5 to the power of 5. तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 5 to the power of m plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Since the base is the same, let us equate the exponent. Equate the exponent करेंगे तो m plus 3 is 5. So what will be the value of m? M is equal to 5 minus 3. That is nothing but 2. So the value of m comes out to be 2. Is it fine? क्योंकि हमको ये पता था कि बेस सेम है, डिवाइड है, तो हम लोग ये प्रॉपर्टी लगाने वाले हैं. सो दैट इज हाउ यू विल सॉल्व इट. फाइन. नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन. Here we go with the next question. Is it fine? Any doubt? Do definitely comment on the chat box. I am definitely there to solve out your queries. अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ गए, अब क्या किया जाए? अब हमने ये पढ़ा था कि a to the power of m to the power of n को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, a to the power of mn लिख सकते हैं. तो इसको मैं ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ, -2 power by 3 -2 into 2, that becomes -4. अब हमको मुझे इस एक्सपोनेंट को पॉजिटिव करना है, तो मैं डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर बना देती हूँ, न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर. नेगेटिव वी कैन कीप हियर आल्सो, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. -3/2, तो ये हमारा एक्सपोनेंट पॉजिटिव हो गया. तो अब क्या होगा? -3 into -3 into -3 into -3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, and 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. तो आंसर आ गया 81/16. Yes, so that is the answer. Is it fine? So that is the logic. This is how you apply the laws, and it becomes very 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 important to revise the laws again and again, rewrite it, उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने बोला 0.0016 है, इसको मुझे एक्सपोनेंट के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. तो हमने क्या करना है? ये डेसिमल कहाँ है? यहाँ है. इस डेसिमल को कोशिश करो यहाँ पे लाने की. कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे, इस वाले पॉइंट में. तो हमको कितने जंप करने पड़ेंगे? 1 जंप, 2 जंप एंड 3 जंप. तो हम ऐसे लिखेंगे 1.6 into 10 to the power of -3. लेफ्ट साइड से राइट आने में कितने जंप्स करने पड़े? 3 जंप्स. सो द एक्सपोनेंट बिकम्स -3. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल आई से 0.000000302. अब इसको क्या करेंगे? इसको पहले 3.02 ले आते हैं, इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म बोलते हैं. ओके, वी आर राइटिंग इट इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. तो अब अगर मुझे यहाँ पे लाना है इस डेसिमल को, हाउ मेनी जंप्स वी विल पुट? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 10 to the power of -6. So that is your standard form. This is the standard form we are talking about. Is it fine? So do revise the chapter, solve your exercise. नहीं आ रहा है कोई question तो definitely just put it in the chat box and I will solve it for you. Fine. So let us hope that we meet again soon. Till then, everyone, take care of yourself and make sure you are liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you, everyone.